What up though, YouTube family? As you can see, my rim is still missing. It's like Waldo, where is it? Anyway, DNA received my rim Monday, didn't reach out to me. I called Tuesday for a follow-up. I talked to the manager. He said that his guys took a look at it. He'll get back with me. Here's Friday night. He never got back with me. I reached out a few times, I think it was 3 times. Haven't heard anything back from him yet. So that's that. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about this. This curved license plate frame from Harley. So I like this one because it's curved. It has a little frame around it. This comes in black and chrome. I got the black, of course. My bike has, black on it. So check it out. This thing is it's stylish to me. I had a brain fart right there, but anyway, I got this because I'm not ready to get the whole rear end, get the stretch bags, stretch fender, and that's like not even etched in stone, because I do like the way the fender and bag sits on here, because you can see my rear rim, you can see the white walls. So to me, I think this probably was a good choice for me, because I do like this right here. It's called a diving board, the part that holds the light that illuminates the fender. So yeah, I think this was a good option for me, and it'll give my bike just a little bit more pizzazz. I got my favorite wrestler helping me today, Macho Man Randy Savage. 5 minutes of playtime, you belong to me. Okay, here's what the OEM plate holder looks like. Just wanted to do a before and after for you guys. Check out that rear end. It's wide, ain't it? Yeah. But that's how it looks now. Let's get to it. Let's get this thing switched out. So this is all that comes with the package. You got the the back piece. This piece right here, the actual frame, and screws and bolts, and that reflector. I won't be needing that. I think that reflector goes sticks up here somewhere. Oh yeah, there it is right there. It sticks like so. But yeah, I won't be putting that on. Excuse me. All right. Since I got this off, I have to clean this. I'll see this at night in my dreams. But the weird thing though, is it has a gasket. It's like, what does the gasket stop from getting in here under this thing right here? Anyway, another thing I want to show you guys is this. This thing has Harley on it at the bottom. That's pretty nice. I don't know if you guys can see it. Anyway, let me getting this stuff out. Oh, hold on. Pull this back through here. Let's get this thing clean. Oh God, that looks a lot better, doesn't it? See some little specks left on there. Oh yeah, that copperhead paint job is beautiful. Anyway, let's finish this. Yo, these 2 screws right here, these 2 up here, up top, and 2 right there. I stripped the left one. I was going really light on that screw up there, and it's stripped. So I was using my ratchet and I was on real light, and it stripped. This one right here, the right one is pretty decent. So if you guys ever switch this out, make sure you hand tighten that or use the torque wrench like it says. So I did get this thing installed. Looks 100% better. Let's take a look-see. Get this camera off this mount. Glide over to the side. So it looks 100% better. There's plenty of videos online of how to switch these things out, but I went on and got that taken care of real quick. I like the fact that it says Harley Davidson at the bottom of the plate. What you guys think? I like it. Cleans up the rear end a little bit. It's also black. This gives me more incentive to leave my tips on my Chromeworks black, because I was going to purchase the tinted chrome or scorched chrome or whatever you want to call it tips, but I'm more likely to leave them black because they match the frame, the curved license plate frame. So yeah, how you like it? Yeah, I'm digging it a lot. I'm digging it a lot. Let's see how it looks with the light on. See what it looks with the light on. Get some light on it. Okay. Cut that off. Yeah, I'm liking it. Yeah, it cleans it up a lot better. Knock some of that whiteness out on the edges of the plate. Make it look a little bit more incognito. Yeah. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and definitely drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this curved license plate frame. Let's see how it sounds with the pipes roaring. Let me open the garage so I don't kill myself in here. know what y'all think in the comments.